Labby.
We haven't made it down
Smile,
there yet.
Labby.
I'll be back.
We'll be back. We'll be
Have a
back.
rotten day.
Yeah, you too.
No problem, Kevin.
You're already married. You have a rotten day already, Bob. Hey, Joe, it's $100 to wear that shirt. No problem, buddy. Free. Going too fast?
No, I think we're good.
Hi. Look at Charlie. Oh, turn around, Charlie. I want to get you good side.
Oh, Mikey.
Charlie, turn around. We want to get you good side. Hey. How what's doing?
Good, good.
How you been?
Good.
Can't complain?
Would you switch over from International Kawasaki?
Yeah,
You're
what's
going
his name? You know,
you're
whatever
going foreign?
Steve Casey has, I use.
There you go.
$158 cars.
Probably a few more that I know of.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, what you can do is go up there and turn around because there's some up there. We'll get to it once.
Sure.
And we'll come down this way again.
Yeah. Hey, Bill.
Look at this.
I'll go over there down in the back.
Oh, look at that. What's going on?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good. Hi, Kenny. Yeah, Kenny. Hi, Ed.
Yeah. How Kenny Casella make out, you heard?
I haven't heard.
Not bad looking.
Nope. Lauren almost choked on that one.
Yeah, yeah. Mikey. Why would I do that?
How are you?
Because you, bud. Smile. You're on camera.